Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to look into the merge sort algorithm. Okay, so first let us understand how merge sort works. So this is a website of Hacker Earth. Okay, you can just type this and you will come to this page where there are all the sorting algorithms and also the searching algorithms. Okay, you can also have greedy algorithms, graphs, string algorithms, and you can go to the visualizer because they have explained it in a quite beautiful way. Okay, so I didn't find this earlier, else I could have explained it in a better way. Okay, so we are looking into merge sort. So let's give array size is 5 here. So I will give the array elements like 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, so this is like in the descending order, but we want to sort it. Okay, so if I hit on run here, you can see that now there are around 50 steps. Okay, so first step is it will select all the array, and here they have also explained like how it works. Okay, next step is like it will split the array at the mid, so it will do the floor division, not the floating point division, else it will be 2.5 something like that. Okay, so it will get the first 3 elements on the left side and 2 elements on the right side. Now what it will do, it will go on splitting till we have 1 element. Okay, so now first it will select the left array, and then it will select again the left of left array, like it will split it the mid. Now it will split this left at the mid. Okay, and then it will sort it, so you will get 4 and 5. Okay, so if I go here, so you will get 4 and 5 here. So you will get 4 and 5 here. Now it will compare these two arrays and it will sort it, so we will get 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so you can also read these things, okay, and you will understand it correctly. Okay, now this sorting is done, left part. Now it will go to the right array which was divided in the beginning. It will also split that in the middle, and then it will sort the elements, and after that in the final iteration what it will do is it will compare now the remaining 2 sorted elements, and then final sorting is done. So in this way it will sort. Okay, so here we can see it is comparing these 2 elements, 1 element at a time. Okay, and then we are sorting it. Okay, so lastly the elements are placed in the order. Okay, so this is how merge sort works. Okay, so let's like write the code here. Basically 2 functions we need to write. Okay, so let's write merge sort algo. Okay, so first I will write the code and then I will explain you the flow. Okay, so to get the merge sort, we want like we will be getting 2 arrays here basically. So if you want to sort them, first we need to have I is equal to j is equal to 0, not o, 0. Okay, and one array, empty array to append those elements. Okay, so we will run a loop while I is less than len of a and j is less than len of b. What we will do is we will give a condition if a of I is less than b of j. Okay, then what we'll do, we'll append merge dot append a of I, because the element is smaller than b of j obviously. Okay, and then we need to increment it. Okay, I plus is equal to 1, else what we will do, we'll append merge dot append b of j. Okay, and we will increment j also. Okay, so now here you can see I will show you how this works. So return what we are returning, merge. Okay, so what is the problem here, you will understand. Okay, so if I give here array like print merge sort of suppose 3, 2 and then 5, 4. Okay, and if I give this, you will see that we will get only 2 elements here at the output. Okay, so 3 and 2 we will get. Why? Because we are not hovering here. That means you can see that the this condition is satisfied here. Okay, that means for example if I debug this and if I show you, you will understand this in a better way. Okay, so let's debug this. So this function is not yet complete. Okay, so what will happen here, you will see that Okay, what is happening? It is taking longer than usual. Debug, bro, debug. Yeah, it started. Okay, so here you can see now a is 32 and b is 54, right? I and j is initialized to 0. Now you will see that if a of I is less than b of j, it is true. Okay, so it will append, what it will append? 3. Then it will increment 1, then it will go there. So I has become 1 now, and then it will go again here, again it will check the condition, it will append. Now I has become 2. Okay, now I will become 2. Now this condition fails here because we want I is less than ln of a and j is less than ln of b. Okay, so it will come off the while loop itself and it will give us merge. Okay, so that is why we are getting this output. Okay, let's complete this debug itself. 3 and 2. Okay, so we don't want that. Okay, so for that to get resolve this issue, what we'll do, we'll run again one more while loop which says while I is less than ln of a, what we'll do, merge dot append a of I. Okay, and again same I plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, and similarly we'll do this for j. That means if any of the condition fails, it will append those elements, like the remaining elements, you can say. Okay, so yeah, just give me a sec. Okay, so now this becomes j is less than ln of b, this becomes b of j, and this becomes j plus 1. Okay, and lastly what we'll do is we'll return merge. Okay, so now you will see that suppose now you will see that we'll get this 3254. Okay, we got the like this elements, we got everything. Okay, so now the actual problem comes into the picture. That is, we will get another function which takes the entire array. Okay, and then what we'll do is we'll first find the mid. Okay, so mid is equal to ln of a floor division by 2, and next is what we will do, we'll do left is equal to, okay, first we need to give a condition. If ln of a is equal to 1, we will return a itself. Okay, because there is only one element, no need to sort it. Okay, and next is we'll give left is equal to a of up till mid. Okay, that means it will take the elements up till mid. Okay, left. And next is right is equal to a of from mid till everything. Okay, now what we are going to do here is we are giving this left to divide again. Okay, merge of left. Okay, so this causes recursion here. So once I debug this, you will understand it completely. Okay, merge of right. Okay, now this is done, we will get left, and finally what we need to do is return, we need to give this to merge sort left comma right. Okay, so this is how it works. So now if I run this, you will see that we will get array in a sorted way. Okay, I need to give the array, sorry, print merge of, let's give 5 comma 4 comma 2 comma 1. Okay, merge takes one position but 4 will. What is happening here? Print. Okay, I need to give this in this format. Okay, sorry, this should be 1. Okay, because this is one array. Okay, so 1 2 4 5 is a sorted way. Now if I debug this, you will understand how like actually it is working. Okay, so we will get everything in a proper format. Like each line we will try to debug and understand like how things are working. Okay, we don't want this debug point. Okay, now let's debug this file. Okay, now we'll understand the working. Okay, so first we are giving the array which is in not sorted way, 5 4 2 and 1. So in the first iteration it will find the mid, that is mid is 2. Okay, now the pointer is here. If len of a is equal to 1, it is false, so it will go to left is equal to up till mid, so it will take 5 4 in the left and right will have 2 and 1. Okay, so similarly like this case, like it's splitted in the first iteration, right? So which is the first iteration? Yeah, this one. So 5 4 3 2 1, it's splitted at the mid, right? So that is what it is doing, 5 4 and 2 1. Okay, so next is it will go to again. Okay, so we passed merge of left to same merge. Okay, like the question is happening here. So it will take 5 4 first and it will split again at the 2, and then again we will have left is equal to 5 and right is equal to 4. Okay, now what it will do, it will find again len of a, but it is like return a. Okay, so it will return the same element. Okay, now right will return 4. Okay, okay, so here you can see left is 5 and right is 4. Okay, so left is 5 and right is 4. Okay, so now this left and right will go to above function. Here you can see a is 5 and b is 4. Okay, so that is left is 5 and b right is 4. Okay, now it will sort these elements. Okay, so it will check first len of a is less than or equal to like that, and it will check if a of I is less than b of j, so it is false, so it will append merge dot append b of j. Okay, so first 4 will come in the merge and next 5 will come. Okay, and now it will come out of the loop, return merge, it will return 4 and 5 which is in the left. Okay, now the recursion of left element is complete because 5 and 4 were there in the left at the beginning, so we got 4 and 5 in the sorted manner. Now it will go to right. Okay, so right had 2 and 1, right? So now it will split that in the middle, so a will have 2 and b will have 1, like that, and those elements will go to the above sorting function. So you can see that you will see above 2 and 1, so 2 and 1, like that. Now these two things will be sorted in the form of 1 and 2, and finally what will happen is we will get 5 and 4 and 2 and 1, sorry, 4 and 5 and 1 and 2, and those two will be passed to the above. So 4 and 5 and 1 and 2 which are in sorted manner, and finally we will get the sorted element. So first 1 and 2 will be appended and then 4 and 5. So you can see 1 and 2, and next is 4 appended and now 5 appended. Okay, so finally we will get the merge of this 1 2 4 and 5. Okay, so this is how sorting is happening. First we will split the array at the middle, and those elements will be sent back to the same function, and we'll get the like the last most middle element splitted, and those elements will be passed in the form of left and right to above function to sort it out. So the rootmost splitted element will go to the this, and we will get back to here, and those sorted elements finally will be passed like the this one, like this will be passed to this merge sort, and in the end what we'll get is the sorted product. Okay, so if I give another here like 8, not here, if I give here 8, it will also sort. So let's directly run it. So 1 2 4 5 and 8, it is working fine. Okay, so this is merge sort, guys. Hope you understood something. So it is like a bit difficult to understand, but if you run it line by line and debug it and understand, it is very easy. Okay, so this is merge sort algorithm. Hope you understood this and learned something from this video. So if you do hit that subscribe button. Until then, take care, bye bye.